Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how can you access on-screen keyboard and how can you use it. So on-screen keyboard as an alternative way of inputting information or on-screen keyboard can be controlled using a touch screen, a mouse, a single switch or other pointing device. If you have difficulty with the physical keyboard, the on-screen accessible keyboard makes it easier. Let's suppose you are working, you are sending a very important mail and suddenly you just realize that your uh, keyboard is not working. That in such situation, till the time you will not get repaired and you will just buy a new keyboard for yourself. So on-screen keyboard is a very helpful, right? So I have seen when just like you, if you have worked on the VMware virtual machines or inside Citrix, so most of the time you will face problems like suppose you are just typing your username and password. So if you will use physical keyboard, then it will suppose you are typing at the rate. So sometime it's instead of at the rate it type double quotes, and just like you are typing the double quotes, then it type the at the rate. So most of the time you will face such kind of problem. So in this such situation you can use on screen keyboard, because if you will just because I have seen it with myself, if you will just three times or multiple times you will just input the wrong password, then it can lock your Citrix machine or virtual VMware, right? Virtual machines. So I will show you that how can you use the on-screen keyboards. Okay, so you need to go to the start menu, press type here like on. Once you will type on, or if you will type screen, then you can see that this on-screen keyboard is available in my system. So you can, if you simply click here, and then you can see that this on-screen keyboard is available on my system. It just popped up over here. So suppose I have to type here one, so I will type here one. I need to type here two, something, some text value. So and suppose I have to type here A B C D in caps. So A B. Simply click Shift, then press Shift. You can see that here it is in a lower case and an uppercase. So you can delete it as well. Go to the backspace. Where it is back page, no, it's not deleting, I think. Oh yeah, this is a cross symbol, you can delete. You can go up, down, home, insert. It is not that much of handy as your physical keyboard, but it can just it could be become your life savior. Suppose you are not able to purchase a new keyboard for yourself and you have to send a very important mail and something like that, right? So you can use this on screen keyboard. So in this tutorial, I just want to show you that if you do not have the knowledge about how can you use on-screen keyboard, so simply go to the start menu, type here on-screen keyboard. So it is available in the Windows 7, Windows 10. I think it's available in all the operating systems. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.